Arunachal women claim racial abuse. This is being reported from the national capital. Alleged race ruckus on camera. Fight over power supply gets ugly. Arunachal girls claim that there was name calling over northeastern origin, and both sides are hurling abuses. This has been caught on camera. Local fight gets ugly, racial undertone. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma steps in, and Sangma has posted that anti-northeast bias must stop. And my colleague Anshul Singh is now joining us with more details on this racial abuse which is being claimed by Arunachal women in the national capital. Anshul, over to you. Give us more details and context.
Well, this entire incident happened. In fact, the video that you are seeing on your screens right now actually happened on the 20th of February when the women who had shifted to a new house, they were getting an AC connected in their house and the electricity connection was being done. It is at this point that some dust fell into their neighbor's house and this entire controversy broke out. The neighbors came out and started fighting with them. Initially, they started hurling abuses. They made racial comments against the women is what has been alleged by them in the complaint that they have given to the police. Not only racial abuse, but also the modesty of the women were also hurt as they were questioned regarding the jobs, or they were questioned regarding the manner in which they were staying, and taking cognizance of this entire matter and the complaint that was given by these women, the Delhi police has gone ahead and registered an FIR under relevant sections and have gone ahead and started an investigation into this entire matter. The accused neighbors have been questioned by the Delhi police at this point in time. Further investigation and the exact integrities of the case is something that the Delhi police is looking into, and we can expect that some stringent action could also be taken by the Delhi police to the extent that these accused who have hurled these abuses, racial abuses at the women, could also be taken into custody within the next few hours itself.
Anshul, we've heard the version from the northeastern girls, the Arunachal girls, who claim that there was racial abuse. But what is the other side saying on this entire matter?
Well, if you look at this video, it is very clearly evident that the neighbors were actually trying to threaten these women. They initially told them that they belong from a very affluent background and how the father is a custom officer and they should not actually get into any sort of a tussle with them. But when we tried to speak with them as well, they very clearly maintained that it was these women who initially started to throw dust, and they think that it was done intentionally, and it is at that point that this entire altercation began. But this is something that is being investigated by the Delhi police at this point in time as to what was the initial trigger due to which this entire incident has happened, due to which these racial abuses were hurled at these women who had just shifted to a new neighborhood in Malviya Nagar. But yes, innocence is something that is being claimed by the accused in this case as well. But the exact nitty-gritties and the exact sequence of events that transpired on that very day is something that is being looked at by the Delhi police.
All right, Anshul, do stay with us. Let's listen into the alleged victim in this case, what the victim has to say on this matter.
जो मैटर है उसको वो इजीली एंड कर सकता था, लेकिन उसने एंड नहीं किया। उसने पर्सनली हमें अटैक करने का धमकी दिया, हमें नंगा नचवाएंगे ऐसे बोल के खराब वाले बातें की। पत्नी ने खुद भी ऐसे बोला कि मेरे पति के साथ सो जाओ और तुम 500 रुपये में सो जाती हो और तुम लोग स्पा मसाज करने वाला, ऐसे बोला हमें। हम प्यार से डिस्कस करना चाहते थे, लेकिन वो हमें चिल्ला कर हमें अब्यूज़ करने लग गया। हमें मोमो की तो नहीं बोला, लेकिन मोमो एक प्लेट लगाओ ऐसे बोलकर बोला ना।
हमें अपना घर में एसी लगवाना था, तो हमने इलेक्ट्रिशियन बुलाया था, तो उसके लिए छोटा सा ड्रिलिंग वो होल बनाना था, वो बॉक्स रखने के लिए। तो उसके चक्कर में वहाँ से जो 10 पार्टिकल होता है नीचे में, जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे रह रहे रूम नंबर 1 में, उसके ऊपर में वो कचरा थोड़ा सा गिर गया, जिसके चक्कर में वो जो लड़का है हर्ष सिंह, उसने जो है हमारे इलेक्ट्रिशियन पे बहुत गंदी गाली दी। ही वाज लाइक कि तुमको आके तिक्चे मारूंगी, मैं तुमसे बात नहीं कर रही, तुम नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न यहाँ रहने लायक नहीं हो, तुम लोग एकदम गवार हो। बोल रहे थे कि मैं पुलिस की ये कर दूंगी वो कर दूंगी, जिसको बुलाने बुला, लाठी पकड़ के मारूंगी मैं तेरे को।